So we've gone over some key vocabulary for this lesson. Now I'm going to number you off, and we're going to do, if you look at our objectives, we said we're going to explore flight using models and online simulations. Y'all know what a simulation is? It's like an experience, right? Online flying plane. Well, what I'm going to have you do, in pairs of 3, you're going to be designing a plane. So, I want you to think about, you're going to, out of the top part, you have your body of your plane, and you're going to figure out which one of these your group of 3 want to use. So you pick it out, you just cut it out, and you're just going to glue it on here. This is our little, like, experiment form. Then you have your wings, so you pick which wings you want to use as a group, cut it out, glue it on here, and then you pick what engines you want to use. Now I want you to keep these terms in mind, thinking about what a plane needs, what you saw in the video, vocabulary that you've been learning about, and which of these you're trying to make the best choice on how to get your plane to fly. And then once you do, I'm going to give you a few minutes to do this. Once you do, we're going to come and test it out, and we're going to decide if it was a successful flight or unsuccessful flight. So if your plane made it to its destination or if it didn't. Everybody got that? All right, I'm numbering you off. So remember your number. So maybe when I say it, maybe hold that finger up, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all my ones, hold your finger up. You're at that table. Go. 2s over here. 3s right here. 4s right here. And 5s over here. Let's move. Let's move. Where's my 5s? Right here. Here's your part. Tell me the size of the group. You pick one body, one wing, and one engine that y'all want to use, and glue it on here for us so we can see what you chose. One body. What number?
Go right there. Go right there.
You're right here. 3. You're right here. So pick one body, one wing, and one engine that you want to use for your flight. I'm going to put a timer on you guys to make sure you work quickly. I'm going to give you, let's say, 6 minutes to decide what you're going to use. I'm setting my stopwatch. 6 minutes.
Y'all, I don't know yet.
You need this one?
I'm going to get y'all talking.
It's okay. So you need scissors, you need to get to cut it. Drag, there's stuff in here. Oh, sorry. And then you're losing your box. There's scissors so you can start cutting.
Yes. Do we cut these out?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, cut it out. Let's see. Yes, when you decide, go ahead and cut it out.
So we just like draw it.
We're going to cut them out.
This doesn't have to be super neat. What body did y'all pick? Which one of these are you going to use for your plane? The smaller, the medium size, or the big one? Medium size? Alright, get to cutting. And then what about the wings? I'll talk about the wings, what you're going to use. And you're going to glue them on here. Okay? You don't have to be perfect when you use it. This is going to be what we put up on our chart to let us know if it was successful or not, okay? So it doesn't have to be perfect. Oh, y'all have 2 of these.
It doesn't have to be perfect cut out as long as you know what's going on.
How much more time do they have, Miss Knight? They have
Should we move it on?
4 minutes and 20 seconds. Some people are still just sitting here. We need to get, it doesn't have to be cut perfectly. You're just cutting a real quick square, and then you're going to glue it on your page to use.
You don't have to create, you can be the
This group is doing awesome.
airplane
They
and
need
then the
to
engine
get
and then the
some-
wing. It doesn't actually have to be put
They're
together.
almost done. What about this 9? Huh? It doesn't matter which one, but you will put the body on first on the simulator, so you might want to do that one first.
Well, wait. Think about
We're
the
just
weight of
putting
your
them in order how
plane.
you choose. Okay, so he's picked that. I'm
What's
going
gonna
to that down, so let's look. What kind of wings do you think? You want to pick those? All right, cut them out.
I'm just waiting.
All Alright, what kind of
But
engine
like-
do you want to use? What do you think?
Say the medium one
Which
or
engine
the
do you
big
think is
one?
gonna help your plane fly?
The medium one, cause like the plane is not
Is that
that
what you want to go with?
big.
Alright. You all look back? Got your engine picked out? Excellent, this group has already got their weight lift dressed. Ms. Patterson, is your volume up on here already? I should want to, after I messed up earlier. I just want to make sure. Right here, yes.
I have this thingy. It's for like any kind of rash.
You can just, we'll just.
But I use it.
Alright, when your group has your experiment ready. Wait, y'all need to glue it down? I'm ready. Oh, okay, sorry. I want you to pick a representative, someone who's gonna come test it for us
Let's see,
up
Edwin.
here on our simulator.
Oh,
Alright, let's listen up to Miss Knight, please. Who's gonna be y'all's representative? He did everything. Who's gonna?
Okay, yeah.
I got this one, push some buttons. You just gotta push the buttons.
You didn't let me cut it. You did it.
I don't know, okay. Alright, this group's ready. Who's y'all's representative? Not yet, Alex. George, they're voting for you, George. It's real, I promise you, it's not scary. The person who does it gets to do the computer fun part, so I don't know what y'all are worried about. Alright, eyes and hands. Eyes and hands. Eyes and hands. That means you get to look at me right now. Okay, we're gonna test these out, and as we do, if your flight is successful, if it crosses the finish line, we're gonna tape it up on this side. If it's unsuccessful, we're gonna tape it up on this side, okay? So, which group wants to go? Let's just start with group one. We're gonna start with group one. Your representative can come up. Come on up, who's your representative? All right.
The forces of flight must be in balance.
So,
How heavy is your
take your
airplane?
body.
The bigger the body, the more weight it has.
Which one did you, look up here. Which one did y'all pick? Y'all did the middle one, okay? And then,
What shape is your plane's wing? Wing shape affects your plane's lift.
and what
How
engine?
powerful is your plane's
Looks like
engine?
y'all did the big one.
The more powerful. Touch the green button to fly your plane. Or touch the
Yes, you fly. Now, if it makes it to the finish
plane
line,
needs
it's
to land at the finish
successful.
line to succeed. Let's go. Yeah,
Uh-oh.
looks like there was a problem. Let's see what happened.
have to the medium.
Let's listen.
Nice try, but your plane had too much thrust. Want to try again?
Not right
I
now.
want to learn more about
So which side do you usually need to go up right now?
forces of flight.
And I like that you saw what happened with yours. All right, who wants to go? Group two.
Touch the green button to fly your